Hey, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro on a 992 Turbo S. So the thief gets your key, they hop in the vehicle, go to drive it away. It's going to start up. When they select a gear, you're going to see it cut out. As you see, the car's died. For the customer to drive it, they can either pair their Bluetooth phone up and have it in range. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this connected phone. This can be locked and in their pocket. Hop in the vehicle, start it, and we'll hear a melody straight away. There we go, we've heard that. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. If the customer's not a fan of PIN codes or don't like the idea of a phone, or their phone's gone flat one day while they're out, they've used their phone to go into town, get into town, their phone goes flat, they obviously can't start the vehicle and drive it. What they'll have to do is put in their push sequence. So to do that, we start the vehicle, put in the code we choose. Nice and simple for this video. Hear that melody and we can now select our gear and drive it. So once again, if a thief gets the key, tries to start the vehicle up, it automatically arms after 10 seconds. No code, they select a gear, it cuts out. There we go. Also on this vehicle, if you try and stall it multiple times, so one after the other, so if it was under attack and a thief's giving it a try, they try it again, it's going to cut out. Now we're going to get loads of fault codes, the vehicle's not going to start. So as you see, it's not starting now. In this instance, ignition on, put your code in or bring your phone into view with Bluetooth. See, we've got all these faults, it's disarmed, we can start it up. And then after a couple of correct starts, so ignition off, ignition back on, it disarms, we'll start it. And after 2 or 3 more times, these faults are going to clear. As you can see, they've cleared now, so next time we go and start it. So it's disarmed because our Bluetooth's on. Start the vehicle up. All the faults are clear. As you can see, it's just cleared. So these are nothing to worry about. This is just the vehicle being protected. It will bring up some faults if it's tried again and again and again, but they obviously clear. So now we'll start the vehicle up without our phone, pop the code in, wait for the melody. Now we select our gear. As you can see, no faults are coming out, vehicle's clear. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Starline Pro Immobiliser, pairs to your phone, has a push sequence disarm, also can be put in valet mode, which we haven't shown you yet. So we'll hop into the Starline key app on our connected phone. Key with the green circle shows we're in range and connected. If you want to take it for a service, we'll press and hold till it goes yellow. Let go, we get 2 bleeps, and now this is a normal vehicle. So no code, no phone. Vehicle's going to act like it's come out of the factory, no Immobiliser fitted. They'll be able to drive it around the workshop and do what they need to do with it. When you get it back, just do the same in the reverse, press and hold till it goes back to green. When it does, we'll let go and we'll get our 2 bleeps. There we go, it's protected again. To get one of these installed, once again our number's 0208 212 7393. Give us a call and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.